Connie Ferguson's daughter Lesedi Matsunyane provides an update on her recovery. After recently revealing that she tested positive for the virus, Lesedi Matsunyane has taken to her Instagram account to provide an update on her recovery. The actress, who is in high spirits after beating the deadly virus, posted a video on her Instagram account in which she revealed she came out of isolation last Thursday. Although she has not fully recovered, she wants to fully regain her sense of taste and smell. I have been in the recovery stage since last week Thursday, because that is when I went out of isolation. I'm doing good. A lot of my symptoms have been quite managed. About 80 or 90% of my symptoms have recovered fully, and I'm grateful for that. Since some symptoms are still present, Lesedi is still taking medication and thanked everyone who wished her a speedy recovery during this difficult time. Your girl is on the mend. I know some days will be better than others, and some symptoms will continue to show themselves for the long run. But the worst is over. I'm back. Thank you to each and every one of you who wished me a speedy recovery, checked up on me, and continue to do so, and give me remedies to either speed up the recovery or to regain my taste and smell. Lesedi recently shared her experience with the virus on Instagram, saying some days are better than others. 6 days ago I tested positive for the virus. I've had/have all of the symptoms, and every day is different. Some days I'm strong, and other days I'm not. Today, 12 July, is one of my stronger days, and nothing says trauma response more than trying to make a serious situation a little bit laughable. The vid ain't funny. She revealed that she missed tasting food. There's nothing in this world that I miss more than being able to smell and taste my food. I have not been able to do that in a week. There's even a running joke in the house that whenever I get asked what I want to eat, I literally just say whatever is the same. I can't taste it. Yeah.